Danxia National Geopark is located in the northern foothills of the Qilian Mountains and about 32 kilometers from Zhangye City in Gansu Province. It covers an area of 322 square kilometers, 124 square miles. Zhangye Danxia National Geopark, or China's Rainbow Mountains for short, is a geological wonder of the world. The Rainbow Mountains are composed of chalk sandstone and silt. The natural landscape is filled with shades of blue, emerald, green, orange, red and yellow. There are 7 complete color differentiations. This feature has received nicknames similar to Zhangye and China's Rainbow Mountains. Where did the rainbow come from? The answer is not as magical as one might hope. Different layers of sandstone that are millions of years old. With erosion, wind, and weather, colorful layers formed. Iron and other trace elements were deposited in this mixture, providing it with a key ingredient for color formation. This geological park offers several walking areas and scenic views to enjoy the color to the fullest. There are 5 lookout stops that can be reached by the tour bus. In August 2010, China Danxia was inscribed on the World Heritage List. On April 23, 2012, the site became a quasi-national geopark. Known for its colorful rock formations, it has been recognized by the Chinese media as one of China's most beautiful landforms.